So good morning everyone. So in last class I gave you some homework problems. So in every bit I gave you last two problems as homework. I hope you have completed that problems. So now I am doing that problems on board once you check your answers again. Okay. So in exercise 6.3 in first bit I gave you the homework as a fifth and sixth problem. Last two problems in every bit I gave last two problems as homework. So once you check it, so here first bit fifth one. So what is that? -3 plus of -8 plus of -5. So this one we have to represent on a number line, and four conditions I have given you, that is plus into plus will be plus, minus into minus will be plus, plus into minus will be minus, minus into plus will be minus. So by using these four conditions we are going to solve the problem. So this values we have to represent on a number line. This result we have to represent on a number line. So first step is what? First number you have to write as it is, and double sign you have to convert into single sign. So plus into minus. Plus into minus is what here? Minus. So I am writing -8. Again plus into minus, -5. Now this value we have to represent on a number line. So now draw a number line. So here all are negative values only, so we have to move to left side itself. So I am taking only 2 or 3 positive numbers. Okay, so -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, -12, -13, -14, -15, -16, -17, -18, -99, -20, and so on. So first, what is the number? -3. Minus is nothing but we have to move to left side from 0 to -3. This left side I am moving. Okay, next is also again -8. Minus means again we have to move to left side, and also how many times we have to move? 8 times we have to move. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you got it as -11. So which side we have moved here? Left side, because it is a negative number. Okay, now again -5. -5. Minus is nothing but left side we have to move. How many times we have to move? 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is -5. So what is the result? You got it as -16. So -3, -8 and -5 is -16. So this is our fifth solution. Next is sixth one. -1 plus 7 plus of -3. Okay, always the first number should be as it is, -1. Plus 7 is having only single sign, so write as it is. 3 is having double sign, so make it into single sign. Plus into minus is -3. Now this value you have to represent on a number line. So I am drawing a number line. And so on. Okay, so what is the first number? -1. Minus is nothing but we have to move to left side. So 0 to -1. This is left side. Okay, next is a plus 7. So we have to move to right side. How many times we have to move? 7 times we have to move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you got it as 6. This we are moving to right side because it is a plus 7. And -3. -3 means again you have to move to left side. How many times? 3 times. So from 6. 1, 2, 3. So how much you got? That is 3. So if you solve this, what is the value? 3 you got. So these are the first two problems what I gave you as homework. So I hope you have did correctly. So next bit we will start. Now second bit. In this also last two problems I gave it as homework, which is fifth one, minus 110 plus of minus 22. So in this case, no need of drawing any number line, directly we have to solve. So what is the first step? First step is write the first number as it is. So this minus 110 you write as it is, and double sign make it into single sign. So plus into minus is minus 22. So now minus into minus is what? Plus. So we have to add the numbers. So 110 plus 22, how much it will be? 132. And which sign we have to take here? Bigger number sign we have to take. So what is a bigger number in this 110 and 22? That is 110. So what is the sign of bigger number? Minus. So the answer will be minus 132. Next, sixth one. That is 17 plus of minus 11. So again the same problem what we did like before one. So 17 plus of minus 11. So first number write as it is. Double sign convert into single sign. Plus into minus is minus, 11 as it is. So how much it will be? 6. And what is a bigger number sign? Plus. If you are not seeing any sign, that means it is having a plus sign. So answer is plus 6 here. So this is our second bit what I gave you as homework. Next, third bit. I gave the last problem as homework, I think. So what is that last problem? Fourth problem. So minus 60, minus 100 and 300. So in this case, find the sum of. Sum is nothing but addition. So where you will see the comma and word, we have to make that as plus. So given minus 60 comma minus 100 and 300. So in place of comma we have to place as plus, and in place of and also we have to make it as plus. Okay, again the same method. So first number write as it is. Double sign convert into single sign. Plus into minus is minus 100. 300 is having only single sign, so you write it as plus 100 as it is. Now first two you solve first. Minus 60 minus 100. Minus into minus is plus. So we have to add the numbers. 100 plus 60 is 160. Bigger number sign is minus. Now write this 300 down. Okay. Now solve these two. Plus into minus into plus. Minus into plus is minus. So we have to subtract the numbers. So 0 it will be 4 because it will be 10. Here it will be 2. 2 minus 1 will be 1. So it is the answer is 140. And what is the bigger number sign? That is plus. So the answer is plus 140. So this is our third bit. Next is, in this fourth bit I gave this second, third and fourth problem as homework. So what is the third problem? That is minus 80 plus of plus 40 plus of minus 30 plus of plus 6. Okay, so this also we have to solve in the same way. So first step, write the given integers. So always the first integer you have to write as it is. Double sign, make it into single sign. Plus into plus is plus 40. Plus into minus is minus 30. Plus into plus is plus 6. Now going on solving for first two terms. So minus into plus is minus. 80 minus 40 is 40. Bigger number sign is minus. Now write these two numbers as it is. Now again these two you solve. That is minus into minus is plus. So add these two numbers. 40 plus 30 is 70. Bigger number sign is minus. Plus 6 write as it is. Now solve these two. Minus into plus is minus. 70 minus 6 is 64. Bigger number sign is minus. So you got it as minus 64. So last one, fourth one. So what is fourth question? 70 plus of minus 18 plus of minus 10 plus of minus 17. Okay, again we have to solve the same method. So first write given 70 plus of minus 18 plus of minus 10 plus of minus 17. Okay, so now first integer we have to write as it is. Double sign, make it into single sign. Plus into minus is minus 18. Plus into minus is minus 10. Plus into minus is minus 17. Now solve first two values. So 70 minus 18 plus 70 minus 18. Plus into minus will be plus into minus will be minus. So subtract these two numbers. So 70 minus 18 is how much here? 52. So 52, bigger number sign is plus. Okay. Next, bring this minus 10 and minus 17 down. First two numbers you solve now. 52 minus 10. Plus into minus is minus. So 52 minus 10 will be 42. Bigger number sign is plus. Now minus 17 here. So that will be how much here? 42 minus 17 will be equals to 25 and the bigger number sign is plus. So the answer is plus 25. So with this our exercise 6.3 is completed, what I have given in the homework problems. Okay, next is exercise 6.4. So I hope you have did correctly. In first bit, last two problems I think, that is fifth one. 38 minus of minus 6. So in the same way how you did the addition, here also we will do the same way. So given 38 minus of minus 6. So first integer you have to write as it is. Double sign, make it into single sign. Plus into plus will be plus. Okay, and this is 6. So if you add these two, so how much you will get? That will be 44. So bigger number sign is plus, so answer will be plus 44. Okay, next is sixth one, that is minus 17 minus of minus 36. So first integer you write as this, double sign, make it into single sign. So that will be minus into plus is minus into minus is plus 36. Now here minus into plus is what? Minus. So we have to subtract the numbers. 36 minus 17. So it will be 16 here. 7 7 14 means it will be 9 1. So it will be 19 and bigger number sign is plus. So what is the answer? Plus 19. Okay. So next is Okay, this is our first bit. Next is second bit. So in this second bit, we have to keep the less than symbol and greater than symbol. So in second bit, last two problems I gave it as homework. What is that? 44 minus of minus 10 and 47 plus of minus 3. So first to solve this, first number you have to write as it is. Double sign you make it into single sign. Minus into minus is plus. 44 as it is. Plus into minus is minus 3. So 44 plus 10 will be 54. And 47 minus 3 will be 44. Okay. So here what you will get here? Which symbol you will get? Which symbol you will get here? 54 is greater than 44. Next, fourth one, minus 21 plus of minus 22, minus 22 plus of minus 21. So first integer you write as it is, double sign you make it into single sign, plus into minus is minus 22, minus 22, double sign you make it into single sign, plus into minus is minus 21. So minus into minus is plus. 21 plus 22 will be 43. Bigger number sign is plus here, minus. So minus 43. And in this case, minus into minus is plus. So we have to add the numbers. Here also you will get 43. Bigger number sign is minus. So these two values are equal. Okay. So this is our second bit. And in third bit, all problems I did. And in fourth bit, last two problems I gave it as homework. So here third one is what? That is minus 3 plus of minus 6 plus of minus 24. So first integer you write as it is, double signs you make it into single sign. So plus into minus is minus 6, plus into minus is minus 24. Now first two values you solve. So minus into minus plus. So 3 plus 6 will be 9 and bigger number sign is what here? Minus. Okay. Just write this minus 24 as it is. Again same method. Minus into minus is plus. So we have to add the numbers. So how much it will be? 24 plus 9. 33. And bigger number sign is minus. So you will get it as minus 33. And last one in this, 40 minus of minus 50 minus 2. So in this also first integer write as it is. Minus into minus will be plus 50 minus 2. 2 is having only single sign, so I wrote as it is. Now first two values. Plus into plus will be plus. So 50 plus 40 is 90. Bigger number sign is plus. Here symbol is not there, that means it is having plus sign. And minus 2 you write down here. So plus into minus is nothing but minus. 90 minus 2 is 88. Bigger number sign is plus. So this is the answer. So I hope you have did all the problems correctly. If anything is wrong, then you correct from this. Okay, and prepare well for your exams. Thank you.